divide 747 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 7 and it is 27. 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting, we get 0. So 747 divided by 3 is 249. So this much for today and thanks for watching.